how to fix Android APK install problem. So if you're facing a problem of solve parsing package error on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and you will find the security section. You need to tap on security and then you will find an option of install unknown apps, or you can also go with the apps section right here. And here you may find the option of install unknown apps. Or if you don't find it, it might be different in different Android phones, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with your search and search for install unknown apps. And once you find the option, you need to tap on it. Once you find this, or once you tap on install unknown apps section, then you need to scroll down and then you'll find the Chrome option. So you need to just find the Chrome, and under Chrome, if it is selected not allowed, then you just need simply go and toggle the option on for allow from this source. Once it's set to turn on, it will fix your problem. It will install the unknown applications. So make sure that the toggle is on. And once you've done that, you can just simply go back and check and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go back and here tap on about phone and go to the software information, or just go to your version and make sure that you have the Android version which is more than 6. Like if you have the Android version which is like 5 or 6, then that is a backdated software version, and that could be the cause behind your problem. So you can just manually select the One UI version and search for it, or you will also have the Android version right here. So make sure that your Android version is more than 5, 6, or more than that 6. If it is less than 6 or if it is less than 7, then it's backdated and it might causing you the issue. Like for example, in my case, as you can see that I have an Android version of 13, right, which is right here. I have Android version 13. Now, if you have the Android version 13, what you need to do is just simply open up your Google or your browser, and now you need to search for the application. Like for example, I'll go with YouTube APK for Android 13. Like if you have Android 5.0 or 6.0, you can search for YouTube app for Android 6 or Android 5. And then you'll find the app that supports your Android version. In this way, you'll be able to fix your Android APK install problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.